Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've got the live photo ready. Start now. Open Photos, tap the live photo to view it full screen. Once you see it, tap the share icon. Do this immediately to avoid accidental edits. The reason? You want to create a separate still copy while keeping the original live file intact. This step prevents overriding motion data, so make sure the image loads fully before continuing. Now tap Duplicate in the share sheet. That sets up the one correct path. When the duplicate options appear, choose Duplicate as Still Photo. This is the only way that guarantees a pure still image without altering the original. Why it matters? Turning off Live and Edit can change the original. Duplicating preserves both versions. Once done, Photos creates a new still image that appears next to the live photo. Make sure you wait a beat for the thumbnail to update. If the duplicate doesn't appear, swipe down and refresh the library before proceeding. Check your library. You should now see two images, the live original and the new still. Tap the new photo to verify it no longer plays. Zoom and check metadata if needed. You can now edit or export this still without affecting the live file. If the duplicate didn't appear, force close Photos and reopen, then retry the duplicate as still photo flow. Sometimes the library needs a refresh. That single troubleshooting tip solves most hiccups. Retrying preserves both versions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.